Hello everyone. In this session on techniques to improve concentration, we will focus on the third technique, the Pomodoro Technique. Please remember, the techniques discussed in these sessions are well-known and effective techniques, but they will be effective for you only if you consciously practice them on a regular basis. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. We have discussed several techniques for your benefit. You can select and practice one or all as per your need and situation. Ready then? Let's start with the Pomodoro technique. What is Pomodoro? The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that helps enhance concentration and focus on a task at hand. It was developed in the late 1980s. The interval or the break in this technique is known as a pomodoro, from the Italian word for tomato, after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that the developer of the technique used as a university student. We all know that distractions are little devils and you have to conquer them. The Pomodoro method is one of the most effective ways to improve your focus and productivity, especially when studying. Now let's see how to use the Pomodoro technique. The core process of the Pomodoro technique consists of 6 steps. First, choose a task you would like to get done. Second, set the Pomodoro, that is the alarm, for 25 minutes. Third, work on the task until the Pomodoro, that's your alarm, rings. When the Pomodoro rings, put a check mark or a tick on your task sheet. Take a short break of 3 to 5 minutes. Every 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of about 15 to 30 minutes. The question you may ask is, how does the Pomodoro technique help? It is simple. The technique helps you to manage your time and avoid distractions, improve your planning strategies, keeps you motivated, increases your productivity slowly and steadily. For the Pomodoro technique, it is very important to use a daily task planner or task sheet to set goals for the day. The goals will include subject lessons to study or practice to complete. The daily task planner will have your tasks, your goals, your subtasks, the Pomodoros that you complete. Also, you need to remember that one Pomodoro cycle is about 2 to 2.5 hours. Now, once you know the timing, you can set your tasks and goals accordingly. Let's see when to use the Pomodoro technique. Pomodoro technique can be used for any sort of tasks that can be sorted into time slots, projects or assignments related to school or personal work. This time-bound and organized way of managing tasks is very helpful when studying for exams. If you are learning a new skill, if learned in small steps, will be learned better. The Pomodoro technique can be used to enhance your skills and improve your performance in sports, cultural activities, and performing arts as well. In short, it can be used to improve both mental and physical performance. So, how does the Pomodoro technique work when studying? Simple. Write a list of study goals. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Study until timer goes off. Take a 5-minute break. If you have done 4 cycles, take a 30-minute break. Repeat until goals are complete. Analyze your progress and start over. What if you get distracted in the middle of a task? For example, when studying, your friend constantly keeps calling you. Just inform him that you are in the middle of something, and during the break you can call him back. Or just write down the distracting thought on a piece of paper and work on it during the break. What can you do in the short 5 minutes break? You can do one or a combination of some of these. Drink a cup of coffee, tea, water or juice. Munch on some fruits or dry fruits. Stretch a little. Get up and walk around. Do the breathing exercise. Just stand and look out of the window. I'm sure you are curious to know why the Pomodoro technique works. The idea behind the technique is that the timer instills a sense of urgency rather than feeling like you have endless time to get things done and then ultimately spending all the precious time on distractions. You know you only have 25 minutes to do as much as possible in that time. This strategy also works because you completely focus on one task without shifting focus or multitasking. A quick recap. So, what is Pomodoro Technique? A method of staying focused and mentally fresh. What you need to do? Pick a task, set a 25-minute timer. Work on your task until the time is up. Take a 5-minute break. Every 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Hope you will surely practice the Pomodoro Technique. Don't forget to write about your techniques in your emojo. See you soon. Bye bye.